Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. We're going to again try to clean this card guide, Smith Corona portable card guide. It's full of white out on this side, especially just caked on here. I'm not sure how much success we're going to have with this, but let's give it a try. So first, it's just try to peel off as much as you can with your fingernail, and it's on there pretty good though, because it doesn't want to peel off at all. There's a little bit, that side's coming off a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. That means this will probably peel off once we get the layers of it down a little bit. It's pretty tough though. So let's hit it with first some soap. This is just simple green, and let's clean this up a little bit with just soap. And then we're just going to use my two go-to Marble Mystery Oil and lacquer thinner, and we're going to attack this thing pretty aggressively. So next thing is put oil on the rag like that, between your fingers like that, so you can stick this in here and rub the oil in there. What that's going to do is help when I use the lacquer thinner. It's not going to melt the plastic as fast. You got to be very careful with the lacquer thinner. It will melt this plastic in a matter of seconds. So let's put those two oil spots back together and maybe a little more oil. And we're going to do our first 1 drop or 2 drops of lacquer thinner. So let's get this to come out just drop at a time. Okay, let's just drop. Let's see what I can get on here. 2 drops. And we're going to rub that. Try to keep it just on the white out part. I'm just going to rub it, and it's already taken some off there. So now let's just use the fingernail trick a little more. See if we can knock some of this off. That's a big chunk right there. Right there. This side is looking pretty good. Get the edges. Okay, so we're going to go back to our little oil spots, which are right there. And we're going to put a little more oil on these. And rub it a little more, and then I'm going to put another 2 drops on this side right here. Just 2 drops. Just one big drop. And I'll rub it again on that white out part, and just give it a little. It's coming off. Let's scrape this a little more. So that's the procedure. Red oil, a couple drops or a drop of lacquer thinner, rub it, repeat, and scrape it and repeat. Okay, that's just about it. Okay, we're going to go for the final treatment here. Let's find the oil spots right here. Might as well just use those. I'm gonna go fresh spot right there, and re-oil this up, and re-rub this down, and then we're to put 1 or 2 drops right here on the side. One's good. That was a big drop. And let's hit this one more time. Try to target the remaining pieces of white out. Looking pretty good. Let's get some of this up here. Okay, I'm going to target. I'm going to use that other side right there. Same thing, one drop. 1 drop on there. 1 drop. And we're going to hit these little target areas right there, right in the center, right in the center there. This one on the edge, maybe right there. Up in the center. Okay, look at that. That's not bad at all. That is still not foggy. Came through really, really good. Considering I used some pretty aggressive chemicals. Okay, that's how you clean a clear plastic card guide. It will work on most procedure will work on most of these plastic card guides. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.